What's up, guys? So we finally got the S14 running mint again. We actually got it running a few days ago, but I've just been working on it, you know, working all the little kinks out of it. Huge shout out to follow him on Instagram, Daily Scraping, and his buddy Ishmael, who helped me vacuum test it and find the boost leaks. So huge thanks to them. And as you guys know, or some of you know, I put the eBay XTD Stage 4 unsprung clutch in this car, and I've been taking it out at night and just breaking it in. So right now it's fully broken in, so I'm just gonna give a little review on it. Now I know people have said these clutches blow up after like 1,000 miles or whatever, but I don't know. I don't know if that's true or not. You know, I haven't blown this one up. I put about 250 miles on it. It's mint right now, so I have nothing bad to say about it yet. The first thing you're gonna notice is that it breaks in super quick. After like 50 miles of stop and go driving, it's completely broken in. I was able to hit full boost. I was able to drift. I was able to do everything I was able to do with a good clutch. So that's one good thing. Another good thing about the clutch is that it's literally dirt cheap. It's $82.99 on eBay for this exact clutch. I'll have a link in the description, or I'll put a picture up on the screen right here. XTD Stage 4 unsprung. We do have a drift event this Saturday, Thompson Motor Speedway. This is the upcoming Saturday, April 16th. We're gonna be there all day, so definitely, guys, come on out. We're gonna have a little booth set up. You guys can pick up some limited edition stuff, some stickers, chill out in the pits. We're gonna bring Leo and just have a good ass time. So definitely come check that out. April 16th, this Saturday, Thompson Motor Speedway. Me and Cam are gonna be door to door doing some mean ass tandems. Now onto the clutch again. So I'm just gonna let the car warm up a little bit more before I boost it. But this car, it pulls you in the seat pretty good. It's running 8 pounds on this tune, like I said before. Now it's running even healthier, that there's no little leaks anymore. And I am really happy that we were able to get this car going so quickly and just put in the work, make it a good car. I have no complaints other than the fact that my starter's stripped out and we have to push start it now. But other than that, the car is great. The clutch, again, is actually really good for the money. Like I said, I haven't put 1,000 miles on it yet. I can't confirm that it's gonna blow up. It might not. I will definitely revisit this video when the time comes after I put a few events on it. I'm gonna test it rigorously. Obviously, we're gonna be clutch kicking the shit out of it, pulling the drift stick. But for the most part, right now, as it sits with 250 miles on it, fully broken in, the clutch is great. I have no complaints at all. It grabs hard as shit. I don't see why anyone would have complaints right now. There's no clutch chatter either. That's the last thing you want to do, is go rump the shit out of your car 2 days before a drift event and then blow it up and then be pissed as fuck that you can't drive it. So boost it a few more times.
You're in the seat, dude. It pulls you in. Not only that, but this thing right here.
are boosted and need a cheap clutch real quick, don't have a lot of money to spend, XTD, stage 4, unsprung clutch, unmatched performance for the price. So I highly recommend it as of right now. Like I said, I'll revisit the video. Also, definitely come check it out. April 16th, Thompson Motor Speedway. It's gonna be a sick ass drift event. I'm excited as shit to go slide this thing around.